Hello, how are you? Okay, please introduce yourself. How many are you in your family? Who are they? Very good. Now let's start now. Let's start now, okay? Safari. Very good. Favorite. Very good. Book. Very good. Fiber. Cost. Writing. Okay, now let's talk about the story first. Where is the line? Very good. Now, give me three things that you can see. Very good. Very good. Now, this one. What is the name of hero? Very good. Now, give me one superpower. He can fly very high. Very good. Now, give me one. What is he wearing? Again, he's wearing sunglasses. Very good. Now, this one. Okay. Where are the children? Are at the. Very good. Now, what did Peter do? Very good. Now, yes or no? Is it Emma flying? Is it? Okay, very good. Now, this one. Who played basketball? Very good. Now, what is the father wearing on his head? Cup. Okay. Next, this one. What is the mother holding? Tennis racket. Okay, well done. Good job, Mia.